Welcome to the DNA Consultant's at-home DNA test kit review, usage experience. Links to the product are in the description below. DNA Consultants offers a comprehensive at-home DNA testing kit that focuses on delivering personalized insights into your ancestry, health, and wellness. This test is perfect for individuals interested in learning more about their genetic makeup, with a particular emphasis on health-related genetic traits such as inherited conditions, disease risks, and even lifestyle factors that could influence your well-being. Using the DNA Consultants test kit is simple and user-friendly. It starts with a cheek swab sample, which is then sent to their accredited laboratory for analysis. Once processed, you'll gain access to an online portal where you can review your results. The detailed reports are easy to understand and cover a wide range of areas, including your ancestral origins, genetic predisposition to certain conditions, and information on how your body responds to various nutrients, medications, and even exercise. What sets DNA Consultants apart from other at-home DNA test kits is their in-depth focus on health and wellness. They offer specialized tests for traits like metabolic health, detoxification, and nutrient absorption, which are crucial for those looking to optimize their diet and lifestyle. The test also provides personalized recommendations on preventing potential genetic conditions and adjusting your lifestyle based on your genetic makeup, giving you a proactive approach to health management. DNA Consultants is made for anyone seeking a deeper understanding of their genetic profile, especially those interested in both ancestry and health optimization. Whether you're aiming to improve your fitness, prevent future health issues, or simply explore your genetic heritage, this test is a valuable resource. For those who want to gain actionable insights into their genetic information, DNA Consultants offers a robust solution. Check out the link in the description for more details and to get started on your journey to better health today.